sidewalk.
Actually, no. I know how the law is written, and it has nothing to do with how many feet I'm supposed to be. Do not invade my personal space.
Here's the thing, John.
No,
This
it's
is
no.
a med call, okay? This is just a medical call.
I don't care. I don't care. This is a public area.
The law and the rights of the people are on our side. That's what this man says in the video. Is that a true statement? I say it can be if you know the laws and also follow them. How many times have you heard police officers claim that they are the law? I am the law, you must obey. That is an untrue statement and should be met with an overstanding of what that law is. There are Supreme Court case laws and penal codes to learn, but the people have a hard time understanding what it all means. Let me see if I can clear that up right quick. Knowing the laws mean you have freedoms afforded to you as human rights. Documents like the Constitution were written to limit the scope of authority that public servants have over you. Maybe that's why public officials don't seem to know and understand the Constitution. That's where we need to come in and teach them. That's why videos like this are important. And I'd also like to point out the fact that videos like this one right here specifically is extremely important, as you will hear the man states that another man died in the custody of police. This has happened many times, folks, not just in the custody of police officers, but also in the custody of the jails and in the prisons. These are other topics that we really need to get into. Now, I understand that prisons are built to put bad people away, but let's not forget that they too are people. And just like this video, this man is recording and documenting and making sure that the police don't hurt the people while doing their job. You guys, go subscribe to this channel. The answer is in the back of your head. I do like the channel name. Let them know San Joaquin sent you. Let's get right into the video, folks. Here we go.
Okay, right here on the sidewalk in downtown Greensboro, and there appears to be a sidewalk stop going on. We don't really know what's going on, but we're just observing and staying at a safe distance so that we can see what's going on. So anyway, let's just watch and see what's happening. There may not be much going on right here, but we're just going to be the man on the street and see what happens from here. So once again, we're right here on a public sidewalk in a public street. So we are within our rights on seeing what exactly is happening right here and now. Once again, this appears to be a sidewalk stop in downtown Greensboro at Green Street and Washington Street, right there at the parking garage. Actually, no. I know how the law is written, and it has nothing to do with how many feet I'm supposed to be. Do not invade my personal space.
Here's the thing, John.
No,
This is a med call, okay? This is just a medical call.
I don't care. I don't care. This is a public area. Well, you know, y'all started fucking with me, and now I'm fucking with you guys. The law is written. I got to stay out of your space, and I am not in your space, impeding your flow. And I'm a human. A human? Were y'all a human when y'all killed Marcus Dion Smith? I'll ask you again. Were you human when you all allowed Marcus Dion Smith to suffocate on the sidewalk? Okay, I wouldn't answer it either because there ain't no right answer. A man died in y'all's custody. Maybe, you know, I wouldn't want to see this guy die in your custody either. So right now, we're in a public garage right now. The officer has tried to run us off, but the law and the rights of the people are on our side. Okay, I'm not sure, but it appears that this stop might be terminated. We're not sure. We're just going to hang out and see what happens. Once again, we're at the intersection of Washington and Green Street in the parking deck, right across the street from where the courthouse and the police department is at, about a block away. Okay, it appears as though right now the officer is walking to the ambulance because it looks like maybe the guy might have been sick or something like that. So we're going to make sure that he gets into the EMS in the van without any problem. Okay, they're fixing to go. This stop is pretty much over.
I don't do this often, but before I give a shout out and send you guys over to the Answer is in the Back of My Head's channel to go subscribe, I also want to give a huge shout out to YouTube. Now, I'm not expecting YouTube to make this video or my channel go viral, but I do want to say they have allowed us to do what we do and not demonetize our channels, not take down our channels, because I believe the folks that are watching our videos understand the importance and the educational value that our videos provide. With that being said, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that now. Share my channel and videos with your friends and family. On our channel, we go out and record police and document and ask questions, teach police officers the First Amendment since the training facilities are not doing it, and we also share videos of you guys going out recording and documenting police as well. If you guys have a video that you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Copy your links and paste it on the email and send it there. If you guys want to stay anonymous, we can do that for you as well. We will not give up our sources. So thank you, YouTube, and thank you to you, the people that are watching and educating yourselves and subscribing. You know the importance of these channels as well. Now I want to send you guys over to the Answers in the Back of My Head's channel to go subscribe, go show support, watch his videos. I think he did an outstanding job in this video right here. I appreciated the way he talked to the officer. The officer had no choice but to turn around, walk away, tuck his tail, and do the walk of shame and leave the man alone. Outstanding work, guys. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.